friends, welcome to another episode of Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make tilgur. Yes guys, this is very famous in India, especially during Makar Sankranti. You check down the ingredients and the recipe. If you like the video, do click on the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more such delicious recipes on Delicacies on the Plate. To make sesame seeds ka laddu or til ka laddu, start to heat up a kadhai. Add a bowl of sesame seeds. This is around 500 grams. Just roast it till it turns a bit golden in color. This is the polished sesame seeds which I am using to make the til ka laddu. Keep on stirring continuously as sesame seeds are very delicate and it can burn. Now the sesame seeds are done. Just roast it for 1 or 2 minutes more, and then I'll remove it in a vessel and I'll start melting the jaggery. Jaggery I'll melt around 700 grams, that is 1.5 bowls. Because this is 1 bowl and again half bowl I'll add the crushed peanuts, roasted crushed peanuts. So the jaggery added will be equivalent to the sesame seeds and the roasted crushed peanuts. Keep the flame on a high heat and roast it, stir continuously. So the sesame seeds should appear like this. So now the sesame seeds are done. So I'll just remove it in a saucepan, in a big saucepan, and I'll let it cool down completely. Meanwhile, I'll melt down the jaggery in the kadhai till I get the consistency for the laddus. Now in the same kadhai, I'll add a bowl of water. So I'll now slowly add the jaggery into the kadhai. Switch on the flame and just wait till the jaggery melts down, and then we will check the consistency for the jaggery, whether it is ready for the laddus or not. You can see the jaggery is all well melted. I'll wait till it starts to leave the sides, and when you put a drop of this jaggery in a bowl of water, then the drop should not spread, it should settle down and become hard. So that is the consistency of jaggery I am looking for. For people who check threads in between the fingers, it should form 3 threads. When you just take a drop of the jaggery and check between your fingers, so it should form 3 threads. So now in the water just put drops of the jaggery, and you can see it has settled down. So the jaggery is ready. I will now put this into the sesame seed. At the very last, just blend it vigorously and then mix the sesame seed. So first I will add the crushed roasted peanuts and then goes in the jaggery. Keep on mixing it well. So all the ingredients should be mixed well. Now just apply a little bit of clarified in between your palms and take a little bit of sesame seeds and jaggery mixture and just roll it between your palms to form the laddus. In this way I'll prepare all the laddus. So the sesame seed, the laddu is ready. I hope you must have liked this video. So do check out for more such delicious recipes on Delicacies on the Plate.